Yeah, this one right here goes out to all my ladies' mamas. Mamas. Mamas, mamas. My ladies' mamas, mama. Ha. Yeah, go like this. I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. Ooh, I am for real. Never meant to make your doctor cry. I apologize a trillion times. My lady's drama mama don't like me. She doing things like having the boys come to the studio trying to fight me. She need to get a piece of the American pie and take a bite out. This is my house. I disconnect the cable and turn the lights out and let her know her daughter is a lady and not a paycheck. Bracelets, movies, hibachi girl, I pay that. I love your mom and everything. See, I know one to trip now. She wanna rip me up, start a war between us. My brother, stay down. She never got a chance to hear my side of the story. We was divided. She had fish fries and cookouts on your birthday uninvited. Despite it, I show the utmost respect when I fall through. All you do is defend that lady when I call you. I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. Ooh, I am for real.